Finally, we have all the major features of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 confirmed, and they are just amazing.
OMG!
Samsung's new flagship watch model will have a new curved glass design similar to that of the Google Pixel Watch, while there could also be the introduction of the microLED display to boost brightness and improve battery life.
This is huge!
Join us in this video for all the exclusive features of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6.
Shall we begin?
Design. The upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 is expected to feature some interesting design tweaks that could potentially make it better than its predecessor.
You think so?
One major change is the introduction of a microLED screen, which will replace the usual OLED screen used by Samsung. If Samsung is able to achieve this, the watch could offer a brighter and higher quality display. Additionally, the watch could potentially have a longer battery life, as microLED displays are more energy efficient than OLED displays, requiring less power to operate. Later in the video, more information will be provided on the watch's battery life. However, it's important to note that Samsung is racing against time to implement this change, and it may not be fully realized until 2024. Nevertheless, introducing this feature early will be important, as Apple is also planning to make a similar switch for its Apple Watch Ultra.
A big deal!
In addition to the introduction of the micro-LED screen, there have been reports that the watch could come with a curved glass design. This will depart from the flat design and rotating bezel seen in the previous edition. On this, Ice Universe tweeted that Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 has returned to the curved glass design. From now on, it is known that the glass is not flat, and there is not much other information. It's worth noting that this is not the first time Samsung has introduced a curved design for its watches. The company has previously used it on the Galaxy Watch Active 2, and it will now make a return with the Galaxy Watch 6. Additionally, the design could be reminiscent of the Google Pixel Watch produced by Google last year. It will surely not surprise us if we get a new leak on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 before it is officially released later this year. So make sure to subscribe to this channel to get any update as soon as it is available.
He's never late.
Let's continue.
Shove.
Battery. As previously mentioned, the new Galaxy Watch 6 is expected to have a better battery life than its predecessor, with a few clues to support this assertion. For instance, there is an increase in battery capacity. While the 40mm model of the Galaxy Watch 5 had a 284 mAh battery, the same model of the Galaxy Watch 6 is expected to have a 300 mAh battery. Similarly, the 44mm model of the Galaxy Watch 5 had a 410 mAh battery, but the new model could have a 425 mAh battery. Although the difference may seem minimal, the increase in battery capacity could still improve battery life. Therefore, we expect the Galaxy Watch 6 to offer about 55 hours of battery life compared to its predecessor's 50 hours of battery life. We do not expect any changes regarding charging speeds, and both models will likely offer 10 watts or faster charging. Health. Currently, little information is available about the potential improvements to tracking features in the upcoming generation. However, it is reasonable to expect that the sensors will continue to include an accelerometer, barometer, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, and Samsung's bioactive sensor package. This sensor package comprises an optical heart rate, PPG, electrocardiogram, ECG, and bioelectrical impedance analysis, BIA, sensor, which should provide a comprehensive view of the user's health and fitness metrics. Software. Regarding software, it is expected that the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 will operate on the Wear OS operating software in addition to the Samsung One UI watch software overlay.
Interesting.
Unfortunately, this combination suggests that, once again, the watch can only be paired with Android devices.
Ouch, that hurts.
While some users may want the watch to be expanded to other operating systems, they will not be disappointed by the number of quality apps available through Wear OS, which is increasingly gaining a reputation for its diverse selection. RAM and storage. In terms of RAM and storage, there is no credible information yet, but it is possible that Samsung might increase both aspects. The Watch 5 series had 1.5 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of storage, which was considerably small compared to the likes of the Google Pixel. The Pixel Watch managed up to 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage, albeit running on an outdated chipset. Therefore, it is up to Samsung to increase its RAM and storage to stay competitive in the market. So these are the major features confirmed for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. And as mentioned earlier, we will update you as and when there is any information available. But in the meantime, you can also check out our next video on the Galaxy Z Roll. It will give you all the insights into the features coming in 2023. Thanks for watching.
Don't go anywhere.
I'm not.